Rhea Chakraborty has faced another setback after the Narcotics Control Bureau registered a criminal case against her. The NCB has also reportedly identified two men who are known to supply banned substances in Bollywood circles and are likely to question these two suppliers. The NCB joined the investigation being conducted by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate after old chats between Rhea and Samuel Miranda, Jaya Saha and Gaurav Arya emerged, which indicated a possible usage of banned substances by Rhea. The agency is also questioning another hotelier, Kunal Jani, regarding the case. The NCB has also allegedly identified two men who may be called in for questioning in the case. There are also allegations that the peddler who supplied illegal substances to Rhea purchased it from online platform. On August 26th, the NCB had registered a case under sections 20, 22, 27 and 29 of the NDPS Act. And now, as they examine the matter further, a criminal case has been registered against Rhea as well. Last week on August 25th, the Enforcement Directorate wrote to the NCB asking them to probe the angle of substance abuse, and Rakesh Asthana, Director of Narcotics Control Bureau, had confirmed in an interview. We are also starting the investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer Satish Manashinde has said in a statement that the actor never used any illegal substances and is ready to take a blood test and prove the same. Rhea is currently being questioned by the CBI, who have now interrogated her for 4 consecutive days. However, we hear now that after Sushant's sister Meetu, the CBI may also summon his other sister Priyanka Singh and her husband Siddharth for questioning. There may be a joint interrogation of both these sisters who had a very close tie with the late actor.